Hey YouTube, it's Amari
and Ali
here from the Three Slay Sisters.
I say congratulations. Work so hard, forgot how to vacation.
And this video, OMG, this video needs to be recommended every day. Somebody need to post a video like this every day, every single day. This video is everything.
important.
So as you see by the title, we are doing 5 words. No. We're doing, as you see by the title, is spelling/grammar check. Like, this video needs to be like, oh my gosh,
Today.
watch the whole thing. Watch this whole thing. And we have a box and
Full of the words.
full of words. So basically, I'm gonna pull and we're gonna talk about them.
Oh, we
okay.
don't mean to hurt your feelings if you talk like that.
But you just
You need to watch this video.
yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it's okay if you're super duper uber mad and you don't care what you say, but if you on a daily basis saying this,
Please watch this video.
so good. Okay, so what I got is freaking hour. I have hour and R. Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh shoot. This, okay.
Okay.
So, first of all, you use our as in people and you use R as in a subject. First of all, that's how you use it. You don't use R in
You.
And
You don't use R as in you.
you don't use R as in an object. You use R as in people. So this is what I see. This is what I see on social media. And they talk about people. They be like, I don't know. My brain doesn't remember it because I don't function like that. But I saw this. They was like, our car is gone. But they use this R. They use the object R. They use this R. Not the O-U-R. But that is just this, like, okay. People be saying, are you? No, they could say, are you? They be saying, they use it as in people. Like, I don't know how to say it because I don't say it like that. But they use it as in people. They use it with people, like A-R-E with people.
Like, what are you doing? That's what they What are
Yeah.
you doing?
They could use that as in a normal sentence. But as in an object, it's fine. As in a,
Like,
as in people,
O-U-R.
as in people, O-U-R is okay. So let's get on the next.
Oh, can I pick one out?
No, I said I'm picking. And we could you could pick the last
Really?
2. Okay. Oh my gosh.
What?
I got
Let me see.
isn't
Oh,
and aren't.
ain't. That says ain't.
I mean ain't. I said aren't and ain't. First of all, ain't isn't a word. I mean, it could be a word, but it's not in my vocabulary or my dictionary. Ain't isn't a word. What?
You cannot say ain't you. You cannot say that. 'Cause that
Ain't
is not
you?
a sentence.
First of all,
That's
ain't you cute? That's not even a
a
what?
sentence. That's not a sentence.
That's not. That don't even make sense. If you say ain't you to me, I'm gonna be like, cause I don't know what you saying. And isn't, you use isn't or aren't instead of ain't. I'd rather you use is instead of ain't. Ain't isn't a word. Is a word.
Period.
But ain't is not a word.
Period.
I mean, like, you cannot, ain't isn't It's just not a word. Like, isn't okay? Say.
So
You could use it. You could use ain't and isn't and didn't, but don't use ain't.
So you can look it up. You can like look in a dictionary. It will say ain't, but
It's
no.
like
You
cannot
can't
you
use
can't right. You can't use it in a sentence. Like
you can't use it as the first like letter. Like you can't use it as the first word in a sentence.
Right. Like you could say this. No, you can't. You cannot. You can't say nothing because no, like you can't say nothing with ain't. But ain't this your dog? That don't make sense. That don't sound right. Like I don't know, but
The word ain't this doesn't.
ain't isn't.
Right.
It doesn't exist.
It doesn't really make sense.
Doesn't exist in my
Vocabulary dictionary.
So this is the next one I'm going to pick. My last one, actually.
Yeah.
This is viral.
Is it R?
I'm so freaking glad I picked this.
I wanted to pick that though.
Is and are. Oh
Okay.
my gosh. Oh
Can
my
I-
gosh. Oh
can
my
I,
gosh. No, first of all, let me say something.
Okay.
First of all things in life is you hungry? Is you sleepy?
Don't you ever say
Don't
that.
you ever use is and
Like that.
to start your sentence. Don't use ain't or is. Those are the two words to start your sentence. Is, ain't you, is you. What
Let me
is
think of something.
like
Hold on, let me see. This
R.
is something that you could use for a sentence
If-
with is in it. Let me see.
you could use
Hmm.
my name is Amari. That's what you could use. You could use do not start. You could say anything with is in a sentence, but do not start a sentence with is. Like I know my hands are like green because I had some slime in my food coloring, but that's not. But it is real.
R, it's very different from is. You could be like R.
You could start
Yeah.
R in a sentence. You could use R as with your You could use R as your first word in your sentence. But is no. You can use are you
You
are
could
you
use
okay?
an R in a second or first. You could be like, are you doing this? Are you doing that? Something.
You can't say is you doing this? Is you doing that? No, it's are. Please, if you ever
Or you could be like, what are you doing?
right, if
What is
is the first word in your sentence, please
Fix
Please,
that right away.
please replace it with are. So these last two is Ali's. Oh shoot. Both of them just came out. It was only two.
Sorry. Okay. Okay. I got your and your. Okay. this
You are. I got your and your.
I got it.
Ali got your and your. It's Y-O-U-R and Y-O-U-R-E. You are and your and your. So please. So this is more of a spelling, but is and ain't is more of a grammar. So your and I honestly used to do this, but I learned better. I used to do this. I used to get my your and you are mixed up. So, like in the essay I wrote, somebody helped me with it, cause I forget. Like I'm not saying like
Yeah.
I'm like people like you, whoever watches this video, like you're the only one. I'm saying I do it too. Like everybody makes mistakes, makes mistakes.
See.
But ain't and is more of a grammar, but your is more of a spelling.
Yeah.
So
You could get it mixed up.
yeah, so your is you are. So you are, but I'd rather use you are than your, because people could get mixed up. But if you're typing it or if you're writing it, they'll know what you're saying.
Yeah.
But if you're saying it,
They won't really
No, they're not-
understand.
like if you type it and spell it, they'll know what you mean. But if you're saying it, they won't
understand.
understand. Right? They won't know what you mean. But
Pretty much.
your, I'd rather use the Y-O-U-R better, but like your is more as a saying, and U-R is more of a typing and spelling. So the last one is did and didn't. This is also more of a spelling. No, wait.
No, it's like a grammar.
It's
kind of
both.
Yeah.
It's more of both. But we're gonna first talk about the grammar part and then the spelling. So the grammar part is, you can't say this. Didn't your dog
Didn't your dog get hurt?
Didn't your dog get hurt? It's did. So you don't, first of all, it's is, ain't, and didn't. Do not use those three to begin your sentence.
Oh, ain't your hair hurt?
Like, don't use ain't, is, or didn't as, to begin your sentence. Do not. Use are, did, or what's the other one?
You.
Or isn't.
What about you?
No, it's are. Use are. Use are, isn't, and did to
You can't
begin your
use
sentence.
you or nothing.
So let's go to the spelling part. Spelling is more. So
yeah.
It's not really a It's not really a spelling because like you should know. You should know which one to use.
Because there's a part. No, is it? The little. I forgot what it's called. The little. You know how to spell did, but the little. I don't spell it like that. But
I did spell it like that. I was just rushing.
oh, but the little line, yeah, that's a big difference. But you know how to spell did. And ants, you can hear the ant in it. Did ants and did. But yeah,
It's called an apostrophe.
yeah. I was gonna say that, but I thought it was a wrong word.
But did and didn't is more of a spelling, is more of a grammar, because you can get mixed up really quick. But when you type in or you writing, you should check over your stuff so you won't really get mixed up. But this was a really good video, and please watch this video.
Thank you if you didn't get mad.
Right, we was just telling you the
What
rights and the
you
wrongs.
should do, yeah.
So please like and subscribe for more videos. Peace out.